We are pleased to show you the 2021 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.